They call me 808. Me and my little bitty radio, we getting on down, bye.
Hey, Rex, you make sure to take care of Bullet now. Hey, make sure to take care of my buddy Bullet there. White Cloud bumping it down.
Hi, Mr. 288. I'm going to jump in here real quick if you got a copy on me. Tell you, morning, you sounding bodacious back here in southern Indiana on this Saturday morning, my friend. Double Deuce told you that. Don't get wet right there, boy. Down there, man, keys out. We'll show him what legal remedies is now on the bird side, man. Not on the PET side. Yeah. But I do a song that I'm going to play him while he's going ahead for himself. Okay there, Mr. 288, right back to you. Have a super fine weekend. God bless her now. We'll let you get back to your DX. And man, you bold aces back here in southern Indiana. Take care. Catch you again. You did a good day. I mean, I want some fun today. That's right. There's one. Man, I've got to love this. Mr. 501, want to keep back up real quick.
Trying to get it back, break.
Hey, Ratchet, 220 over there in the foothills of 10. I'm waving at you.
Well, I don't get forward.
288, 220 in the foothills. I'm waving at you.
All right, I appreciate it, Richard. Hey, you started getting rough and tough, my friend, so, hey, send me a tour of the we're in Chicago. 212 in Canada. 808 Shack, doing right downtown Chicago, giving you a morning wave, and I'm standing by.